This is a program designed to help you bring more satisfaction into your own life by becoming more of who you already naturally are designed to be. I'm Jim Cathcart. For the past 40 plus years, I've been working with people to help them live a more meaningful and satisfying life, and how to structure their day-to-day behavior so that they end up getting it. This is all within your control. The future you see in your mind and heart tells you what qualities you need in you to make it a reality. And somewhere inside of you, there is this little seed, like an acorn, saying, hey, I want to be an oak. There are certain abilities and interests that are unique to each person. And if you cultivate those, your life will be rewarding and fulfilling. And if you don't, it'll always seem incomplete. This is for people not who are interested in succeeding, but people who have decided to succeed. This is also for people who are ready right now. So come with me and let's discover how much more successful you could be.